Building business credit can be tricky, especially when you're just starting out. You need credit lines to establish a strong profile, but lenders often hesitate to extend credit without prior history. One practical way to kickstart this process is through Net 30 accounts. These accounts give you 30 days to pay in full after making a purchase. When managed correctly, they help boost your business's credit scores by getting reported to the main credit bureaus. The key is to find vendors who report these transactions. Don't waste time on vendors that don't report, because it won't do much for your credit profile. FilingFox.com offers straightforward solutions that can help you navigate this process more efficiently, often without the hassle of applying to countless vendors. Here's a quick rundown. Net 30 vendors allow your business to buy goods or services now and pay within 30 days. Building a strong credit report usually means opening at least 5 accounts that report to the big credit bureaus. Over time, with consistent on-time payments, you unlock opportunities for business loans and credit cards with better terms. Let's explore some vendors you might consider. For example, Office Garner reports to multiple bureaus, including Dun Bradstreet and Equifax. They sell office supplies, electronics, and even web services. Signing up's easy online as long as your business is at least 30 days old, and their initial fee is modest. They're a solid pick for small businesses, from contractors to tech startups. Another option is Business T-Shirt Club, ideal for branding and marketing apparel. They report to Equifax, Small Business Credit Safe, and others. You can buy t-shirts, sweatshirts, or custom gear, perfect for retail, hospitality, or field teams. They require a minimum order, but their discounts help businesses grow visibility. Creative Analytics offers digital marketing and tech products. They report to Credit Safe and Equifax, extend credit lines up to $12,000, and are suitable for online businesses or startups in tech or creative fields looking to scale quickly. Industry staples like HD Supply provide a vast array of products: appliances, hardware, lighting, janitorial supplies, reporting to Experian. They're a favorite for hospitality and property management sectors. Similarly, Quill specializes in office and cleaning supplies. After a couple of months of regular orders, they start reporting to Dun Bradstreet, helping you establish a credit record with minimal effort. Neemit and Wise Business Plans are additional options for companies focusing on digital marketing, business planning, and branding. They offer credit-building services reporting to Dun & Bradstreet and have flexible minimum order requirements. For those in the apparel space, Shirtsy is a print-on-demand platform that helps startups source branded gear and clothing, reporting to Dun & Bradstreet and Equifax, great for fitness or local retail businesses. Finally, Uline, known for shipping and warehouse supplies, reports to Dun & Bradstreet and Experian. They have no minimum order and are popular among warehouses, factories, and logistics companies. Remember, establishing business credit takes time. Opening about 5 accounts with vendors, reporting to the right bureaus, and maintaining timely payments will put you on the right track. If you want guidance tailored to your business needs and want to streamline the process, consider reaching out to FilingFox.com at info@FilingFox.com. They can help manage your vendor list, ensure proper reporting, and set the stage for better financing terms down the line. For those interested in growing their business smarter and faster, starting with the right vendor relationships can make all the difference. Check out the detailed guides at FilingFox.com, link below. Like this video if it helps, and subscribe for more insights on building, branding, and scaling your small business. Got questions? Drop them in the comments. Good luck on your journey to business success.